LV Speedy 35 in Damier Ebin. Comes with lock and key. Tapos may provided dust bag. And then yung kanyang long strap. Tatlong strap to. So may natanggal lang na sinturera sa strap. Pakabit nyo na lang. Ayan siya. So yung strap niya maganda naman yung kanyang rubber lining, complete and intact. And this is the bag. Ayan. Maganda pa yung canvas niya. Yan, malinis yung kanyang hardware. Tapos yung side, yan, may varnish na. Tapos likod, and then other side. Tapos yung bottom ng bag. And then corners, may signs of use. Yan siya, pero wala namang labas piping. Yan. Tapos yung kanyang zipper, and yung zipper head. Okay. Tapos yung handles, yan. Loob ng bag. Yan. Merong ink mark dito. Ayun, may pen mark doon sa side. Kita ba doon? Yan. Okay. So, for when worn, this PD35, ganyan siya. Shoulder bag, sling, crossbody, and pwede rin handbag. Maganda rin tong pang travel kasi ang daming pwedeng ilagay.
35, no?
Speedy 35. Yan.